Ever felt overwhelmed by the sheer number of subscriptions you have? You're not alone. Today, we're diving into a topic that might just declutter your digital life: how to unsubscribe from Vivid. Vivid, with its stunning visuals and immersive experiences, can be a captivating platform. But sometimes, our interests evolve, or we simply need to streamline our online content. Unsubscribing can be a simple process, but it might not be immediately obvious. So, let's break it down step by step. Step 1. Access your Vivid account. The first thing you'll need to do is log into your Vivid account. This can usually be done through the app or website. Once you're logged in, look for a Settings or Preferences section. Step 2. Locate the subscription settings. Within the Settings section, you should find an option related to subscriptions or your account. This might be labeled as My Subscriptions, Manage Subscriptions, or something similar. Click on this option. Step 3. Find the Vivid subscription. You'll now see a list of all the subscriptions you have active on Vivid. Scroll through the list until you find the Vivid subscription. It might be listed under the platform's name or the specific content you're subscribed to. Step 4. Unsubscribe. Once you've located the Vivid subscription, you should see an option to unsubscribe. This might be a button labeled Unsubscribe, Cancel Subscription, or something similar. Click on this button. Step 5. Confirm your unsubscription. Vivid might ask you to confirm your decision to unsubscribe. This is a safety measure to prevent accidental unsubscribing. Review the confirmation prompt and click the button to confirm your unsubscription. Additional tips. Check for recurring charges. If you're unsure whether you have a recurring subscription, check your payment history or billing information. This will help you avoid any unexpected charges. Contact customer support. If you encounter any difficulties or have questions, don't hesitate to reach out to Vivid's customer support. They can assist you with the unsubscription process and address any concerns. Consider alternatives. If you're looking to explore similar content without Vivid, there are other platforms and apps that offer similar experiences. You might want to do some research to find alternatives that align with your interests. Unsubscribing from Vivid is a straightforward process that can help you declutter your online experience. By following these steps, you can easily remove the Vivid subscription from your account and focus on the content that truly matters to you. Have you ever felt overwhelmed by too many subscriptions? Share your experiences in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech tips and tricks. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.